Hello children, this is part 2 video of chapter 2 Where Plants Live Adaptations class 4. Children, we see plants everywhere as they grow in different places. The places where the plants grow are known as their habitat. So, according to the place where they grow, the habitat is divided into two parts, terrestrial habitat and aquatic habitat. The plants that grow in terrestrial areas are known as land plants or terrestrial plants. And the plants that grow in water, they are known as aquatic plants or water plants. In this module, what is the learning objective? We have to learn the features of terrestrial plants. Now, according to the area, terrestrial plants are divided into 6 major groups. First is the plain area, so the plants of plain areas. Second is your desert area, so the plants are succulents or xerophytes belonging to desert areas. Now, the plants growing in mountains or hilly areas is the third category. Plants that grow in heavy rainfall area. Fifth is the plants growing along the sea coast. And the last one are the plants that grow in marshy areas. First, we'll take the plain area plants. Now, the plants that are growing in plain areas, they have got several branches and have got flat leaves. Now, these flat leaves, they trap maximum sunlight and they grow in warmer climates. The plants of plain areas, they shed their leaves in autumn season, and when the spring season comes, new leaves arises. You can have the examples of neem, peepal, ashoka and mango. Now, second is our desert category. So the plants belonging to desert category are known as xerophytes, and they store, the water storing system is present in stem. So you can see thick fleshy stem on your screen, and they have the ability to store water for their future use. Now, we all know that the sand is totally dry and the weather is quite hard. So in order to maintain their survival, the desert plants have to work very hard to get water. They have developed long root system that is going deep into the earth to search water. Now here you can see the vertical roots present here. Here you can see the horizontal roots, and in this figure you can see these tuber-like or bulb-like structure. Now all these three modifications the plants have developed to store to search water in the sandy area. Now you can see the spines are present on the plant. These spines discourage animals and they plants save themselves from animals. Now here you can see the leaves are almost absent, or the leaves present are very minute. That means the desert plants, either they have no leaves or they'll have very small leaves. Now why it is so? Because they have modified their leaves just to save water. They don't want to lose water, so the leaves are almost absent. Now here you can see hair-like structures present on the leaves. If the leaves are present, they have hair-like structure. These hair-like structures, what they do, they provide shade on the leaves. Now the presence of shade on the leaves save water in hot sunny days. And here you can see the green thick fleshy stem. Now what it does, photosynthesis is carried out in the absence of leaves in this thick stem. So it is green, fleshy, it stores water and it carries out the purpose of photosynthesis. Now here you can see the water drops present on the stem and leaves. Now why we can see these water drops? Because there's a waxy coating on these stem and leaves. They repel water, and the water cannot withstand on these parts. So the presence of waxy coating prevents water loss and saves the xerophytes. Now here I want to introduce one term, that is succulents. Succulents are the plants of desert area having thick, fleshy and enlarged part to retain water. So the basic aim of the xerophytes are not to lose water and maintain their survival. So this was all about the features of plain area plants and desert area plants. Thank you.